and welcome to Advanced Programming. In this class, we will teach you how to do the advanced programming such as sensors and starting with the switch. For the switch, you should already be in your complete palette. The switch will be found under the flow section, and you will go into switch right here and just drag one out.
So to start off, we're going to go over what we can do with the switch block as far as our controls are concerned. For our control, we have sensor or value. We don't use value because that is not for it's not for competition settings. It's more of an at-home setting. So what we're going to do is we're going to always use sensor. So here in the sensors list, we have many different options, but we'll get into those later.
Just for now, we are going to be teaching you just kind of the basics of this and not using any of the sensors. And we will teach you the sensors when we teach the sensors later. But just kind of a basic overview. What happens is that let's just do an example of touch sensor. So, well, basically what we do, so control sensors, touch sensor, display, we have it checked on flat view. I don't know, we don't usually use this, but we usually keep it checked on flat view.
If we do need to compress the program, we can use this, but for our example, we're going to leave flat view checked, and this way we'll be able to show you guys exactly what is happening when we're using the program. So for our port, let's say we have our touch sensor connected on port 1, and our action, we want the touch sensor to just be bumped.
So we are going to go into all the details on this later with the touch sensor. But basically, what will happen when the touch sensor is bumped? It will go up here. If it's not bumped, it will go down here.
And now in this current way this is set up, all that's going to happen is this is going to check for this variable once and end the program. So this program is going to go extremely quickly, so we actually wouldn't be able to see it work. So
you would always put a loop blocker on it, so it keeps searching for the bump.
So this way, it's going to keep searching until it finds the correct variable. So the switch block is really the fundamental of how you program with sensors. Because for this to work in an advanced setting, you need to always be able to have two variables, a yes or a no. So you really need to learn this before continuing on to learning how to go with the variables of the sensors.
Thank you for joining this class, and we hope to see you next time. Thank you, and goodbye.